Welcome to Love Garden Care, a peaceful garden where every leaf and every bloom tells a story of patience, love, and the pure beauty of nature. Today, I want to share with you the secret to caring for Anthuriums, the heart-shaped flower symbolizing love, luck, and positive energy. Even when grown indoors, Anthuriums can bloom beautifully all year round with the right care. Now, let's begin the gentle but essential steps to awaken your Anthurium plant, helping it grow greener, stronger, and full of fresh, vibrant energy. Before starting any care, I perform a general inspection of the Anthurium. Upon closer look, I notice several basal leaves are dry and damaged. I gently remove those dry, damaged leaves to keep the plant clean and well ventilated. The purpose of removing dry leaves is to prevent disease, improve airflow, and help the plant focus its energy on new growth and upcoming blooms. The only ingredient I'm using today to care for my Anthurium is coffee. It's a simple, everyday ingredient that provides an amazing natural boost for plants, especially those with lush, broad leaves like Anthuriums. I used 1 teaspoon of brewed coffee or unsweetened instant coffee and place it into a clean glass jar. Then I add 1,000 milliliters of warm water and stir until it completely dissolves. This coffee solution contains natural minerals that help the plant recover after blooming and encourage strong, glossy green leaves. Which country are you watching from? I'm so happy to welcome you to Love Garden Care. Leave a comment below. It's wonderful that we can connect and share with each other from all around the world. Today, I'm sharing a simple yet surprisingly effective tip for caring for Anthuriums: diluted unsweetened milk. It's a common kitchen ingredient, but when used correctly, it helps the leaves become glossy, healthy, and full of vibrant energy. I use 30 milliliters of unsweetened milk and mix it with 500 milliliters of room temperature water. This gentle dilution creates a solution that's safe for the leaves while still delivering beneficial nutrients. Unsweetened milk contains natural proteins and minerals that strengthen the leaves, make them shinier, remove dust, and improve photosynthesis. Even a thin layer can give the plant a fresher and more radiant appearance. For the first step, I use a soft cotton pad soaked in diluted, unsweetened milk and gently wipe each leaf of my Anthurium. I move my hand slowly and carefully so the thin milk layer spreads evenly across the leaf surface, as if I'm giving the plant a touch of natural healing energy. Wiping the leaves with unsweetened milk provides several great benefits. The thin milk layer removes dust, reduces bacteria, and forms a natural coating that makes the leaves shinier. It also helps the plant perform photosynthesis and gas exchange more efficiently. The natural proteins and minerals in milk help soothe minor scratches or damaged spots on the leaves, supporting recovery and making the foliage look healthier. After wiping, you'll notice the Anthurium leaves become glossy, vibrant, and full of fresh energy. A clear sign that the plant is being revitalized through this gentle and natural care method. In the next step, I pour the diluted unsweetened milk solution into a spray bottle and gently mist the entire Anthurium plant. I spray the top leaves, the undersides, the stems, and even the base so the plant can absorb the solution thoroughly. Diluted milk acts as a gentle natural cleanser, removing dust and reducing harmful bacteria on the leaf surface. The natural proteins and enzymes in milk create a light protective layer that helps prevent fungal issues and keeps the foliage clean and shiny. As the milk solution is absorbed by the leaf surface, it stimulates cellular activity, boosts recovery, and improves photosynthesis. This results in greener, thicker, and glossier leaves, especially after the plant has finished blooming. The natural minerals in unsweetened milk also help strengthen the root system, boost the plant's immunity, and support more stable overall growth. It's a gentle yet remarkably effective form of nourishment. After misting with milk, you'll notice your Anthurium looks awakened. The leaves appear brighter, the stems look fresher, and the whole plant looks more vibrant, a clear sign that it's receiving the right care. After finishing the leaf cleaning, I begin preparing the coffee solution. I gently strain the coffee through a filter and stir lightly, before pouring it out so the fine particles dissolve evenly. Then, I keep only the clearest portion of the liquid. Have you ever tried using coffee to care for your plants? Tea is a natural method that brings surprising results and is becoming popular among plant lovers. Let me know your experience. Next, I add 500 milliliters of room temperature water to the filtered coffee. This dilution makes the solution gentle, root safe, and ideal for anthuriums after their blooming phase. After mixing, I stir the solution well so the coffee and water blend perfectly. This helps distribute the natural minerals evenly, ensuring the plant receives consistent nourishment when watered. In this step, I pour the entire diluted coffee solution into the anthurium's growing medium. As the coffee gently soaks into the soil, it slowly spreads downward, as if awakening the entire root system beneath. As the coffee solution is absorbed, it delivers a rich source of natural energy to the roots. The minerals in coffee help the roots absorb water and nutrients more efficiently, while encouraging stronger and broader root development. Coffee also contains organic compounds that strengthen the plant's natural immunity, allowing the roots to recover quickly after blooming. Stronger roots help the plant stand firm, absorb nutrients better, and grow more steadily. With the diluted coffee solution, the growing medium becomes more nutrient-rich and lively, helping the anthurium regain its vitality, produce new shoots, and prepare for another round of beautiful blooms. After watering, I use a soft cotton towel to gently wipe and dry all the anthurium leaves. I move my hand slowly, feeling the smooth surface of each leaf glide beneath the soft fabric, as if I'm caring for nature's fragile skin. Drying the leaves is a small but essential step. It removes leftover moisture on the leaf surface, preventing water from collecting in folds, a common cause of rot and fungal issues. Clean and dry leaves also reduce dust and bacteria, allowing the foliage to breathe more freely. When the leaves are clean and dry, sunlight reaches them more effectively, allowing the plant to absorb energy better. As a result, the foliage becomes greener, shinier, and healthier each day. For me, this is more than a care routine. It's a moment of true connection with nature, where gentle attention and love are returned through the plant's renewed vitality. With simple natural ingredients and gentle care, your anthurium can recover beautifully, showing glossy, vibrant green leaves. If you enjoy peaceful moments like this, join me in the next video, where I'll share more natural, safe, and effective plant care methods. Thank you for being here with me today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell, so you won't miss any new videos from Love Garden Care.